Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We're staying at the DOUBLETREE by Hilton SeaWorld. So this is right across from SeaWorld, and we're in the tower. So there's a couple of different kinds of rooms here, and the tower, it's kind of funny, there's a couple of elevators. So I'll turn this around. There's 2 elevators here, and then down the hall, there's another elevator over there, which I'll show you in a minute. But so let's go into 2723. This is on the 7th floor in the tower. Oh God. Okay, you open it with a key. Here we go. All right, so we're walking into this little area here. Has a lock-off door. So if you're sharing or you know the people next door, you can open that door. Here you have your little table. Maybe put your keys or anything else you're gonna need daily. There's a full-length mirror. And then here, there's this like tiny little closet with your extra pillow. And there's your iron hangers, hiding board, more hangers over there for like your pants. There's your safe. This is to store your luggage, which I never use those, and it looks pretty banged up. This is such a small closet. Let's close this off. And now, I'm just kind of stepping back. Now let's walk in. So there's a lot of space. And it looks very odd, to be honest. Okay, so let's just do one quick little turn here, and then we'll do the walk-in. So there's that little area we just walked in from. So you walked in through here. And now we have a desk with your light. You turned it on. How did I do this? It's one of those like little turning knob things. And a mirror. And then this chair. Little swivel. And there's your trash can. Your furniture with drawers. Okay, these are the smaller ones. These are deep ones. Okay, so your television. Some art here, and this is so strange. Okay, so then you have your desk there in the little corner. Here's your TV unit, your drawers, your little, what is this? This is a piece of furniture with your fridge. So here's your fridge. It's kind of cool when you still them up. You can put your sodas in there. Okay, close it up. Your little coffee maker. Let's turn this guy on. Here's your light. Okay, so coffee maker, a couple of creamers, coffee, a tiny little bucket for ice. This is tiny. And then you have, okay, your thermostat, your AC, and then 2 chairs you can relax in with a little table. I kind of feel like there should be someone else involved. And then you have 2 queen beds. Looks so dated. Okay, so here's your phone. Here's your clock. Okay, with the new iPhone charger. Okay, USB. And then what's here? Okay, a drawer. Some space here on the bottom. Your lamp. Turn it off and on. You could plug in your whatever you want to plug in. And this is windows. Okay, so you have, that's the blackout shade. with the shears, which aren't really so sheer. And let's open this completely. Okay, there's your window. And you're looking at, I'm gonna have to do this in the morning, but there's your convention center. And then that's a restaurant down there. So that's a restaurant and like a deli, and you could get your cocktails there. That's the walkway. It's a covered walkway. Okay, so now let's go over here. This is your bathroom, which is also very strange. Let's go in here. So there's a lot of room, a whole lot of space here. And here's your sink with our favorite tissues. We love tissues. Extra toilet paper. There's your extra towels. Your sink. These are the Crabtree and Evelyn standard. Okay, conditioner, shampoo, hand lotion, bath soap. And then there's a separate room for your tub and toilet. There's a toilet, a bidet. I haven't seen this in a long time. A little trash can. There's a little art. One light. So it's a big space here too. And then here's your shower. With another little towel. Here's your shower head. You can hang up your towels there. You can lock the door. Okay, so let's open this again. And let's take a second look here. So these, like in the villas, has this door that you could slide, open and close. So you could slide this. I mean, you could slide it more, I'm just not going to. Let's see how this looks on the inside. Okay, so that's how this looks. I don't know. I don't know about this room. Okay, so this is it. All right, so, I mean, yeah, it's gonna do. So I think I'll be fine here. But it is very odd. There is a lot of space, which is good. But again, I don't know, it just feels kind of weird. I don't know, we'll see how we like this. All right, well, let's wrap this up. Light switch. I don't know what this was, that didn't work. Okay, that was your lights. All right. This is what it looks like when you come in through the elevator. So you're right here. So this one is very close to the elevator. We're gonna walk down the hall because I actually came up this way and I had passed the ice machine, which is right there, and it's cool. So you can get your refreshments. Here's your ice machine. stairs. This is what you're walking into. And let's get in the elevator. It's your parking lot. Okay. This is so weird. So these numbers are, I guess they're changing them. I don't know what's happening here, but they're like stickers. All right, anyway. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is the double queen bedroom at the Hilton Orlando SeaWorld resort, which is right across from SeaWorld. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe, hit that notification button, and give us a thumbs up. See you.